I don't know if you can see this, guys. I think the color is already taken. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I don't even know how to do this anymore because it feels like a lifetime away that I've done YouTube. Welcome back, guys. I know it's been ages that I just disappeared off the face of YouTube. Life has been lifing. I've just been busy here and there, but I've been trying to pull myself together to come back gradually and hopefully eventually onto YouTube with my hair and other stuff. Anyway, content. Anyways, in today's video, which I think is the reason you're here, I'm going to be dyeing my hair again. I just do not like it when I have like a lot of black in my hair. I don't mind a little bit of black roots, but I'm just going to be dyeing my hair, and this time around I'm taking a massive risk and dyeing my hair. Usually I would go for this color, which is honey blonde, which is like a color 30, but this time around I'm aiming higher. I want my hair into a lighter blonde color, so I got this pack this time around, which is the lightest blonde. I hope I've not made a mistake guessing this. I hope my hair turns out nice. I don't expect my hair to come out like this, to be honest, because it will take certain level of lifting and bleaching for my hair to come out like this, but I want it lighter than this a bit, especially for the summer months, which I think I'm going to be wearing my hair out a lot, so I want my hair lighter than this. So like I said, I'm not expecting it to be this color, but I want it lighter than this. I've done the prep. I have mixed the colors together like it says on the instruction. The instruction this time has 3 colors, which is like the highlight, the highlight booster blonding powder for lightest blonde, which I have poured into the content. I've mixed everything together in this like it says, and I'm just going to be applying it to my hair. I do not cut the head until I am sure everything has mixed properly, and then I'll put my hair in sections. I don't know about you, this is the best thing you can pile your hair with because your hair is not going to snag, as satin scrunchie, and this one's from my brand.
Hey guys, so I'm going to cut the tip of the applicator, which got messy, and then I'm going to apply it to my hair. I'm applying the dye to my hair, starting with the roots because that's where I want the color to take more, and then as I'm applying it, I'm putting my hair in section just to make sure every bit is covered. I understand that there'll be some misses, but I'm trying to minimize that as much as possible. Once I was done with the roots of my hair, I moved on to the tip and I just applied it to the tip of my hair.
I don't know if you can see this, guys. I think the color is already taken. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Okay, so I'm just going to check now. I don't have any plastic cap that I can use, so I'm going to be wrapping my hair in cling film because I think that's all. For extra security, I'm going to cover my hair with this because I feel like the heat will make it cook faster and better. Okay guys, so it's time for the final reveal. Let's see. Oh my god, this looks so orange. okay my hair looks so orange. I don't know if I like it though. I don't know if I like it. I feel like this is a big risk for me. I don't know. I'm gonna go shampoo with a shampoo conditioner and see if that's gonna tone the brassiness down because it just looks like copper to me. So I'm gonna shampoo it first and let's see. Oh my god, this is scaring me. This is actually scaring me. I'm gonna shampoo it first and then I'm gonna decide if I have to chop off all of my hair because
every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying.
This is my hair after the shampoo, after the purple shampoo. I don't hate it, but I don't 100% like it, to be honest. I think this hair is just gonna take some getting used to from my end because I think I would have preferred, as you can see, it's not, the color did not evenly take on my hair. I don't know why that is, but anyways, this is gonna take a bit of getting used to, but I quite like the color. I just wanted something lighter than what I had, and I think I got it, but I would prefer it less red than this. But anyways, I love this color. That is it, guys. I'm going to go ahead to do an Olaplex treatment on my hair. I have the small one and the big one because I feel like I've done hundreds of damage with what I've just done. So I'm going to be binging on Olaplex this next couple of weeks. So Olaplex number 3, and I'm going to be following up with a hair mask. This is my favorite hair mask. Anytime I feel like I've done some damage to my hair, I just go in with this. And that is that for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, please let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this new hair color that I've got now. Yeah, I won't take any offense. Bye.